Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix a Spotify forward song not working. So guys, when you want to forward your song on your Spotify and this forwarding option not working on your Spotify app, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, I have fixed this problem by doing these methods that I'll tell you in this video. So guys, please watch till end this video. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back on your home screen, and guys after this you need to open your Spotify app, and guys you need to click on your main profile. And guys after clicking on main profile you need to click on settings and privacy, and guys you need to scroll it down. And guys here is the option of logout. So guys simply you need to log out your account, and guys after logout you need to log in again with in your Spotify app. And guys after doing this your problem will be fixed. And guys the second method is you need to open your app store in your phone, and guys after this here you need to search Spotify. And guys after doing this you need to wait. So guys you need to click on Spotify. So guys if you have not updated your app, then guys simply you need to update from here. And guys after doing update your problem will be fixed. And guys the third method is you need to open your settings, click on general, and guys click on iPhone storage. And guys after this you need to wait, scroll it down, and guys here is the option of Spotify. So guys here you can see simply you need to click on it, and guys after this you need to click on offload app and click on offload. And after doing offload you need to reinstall again from app store. And guys after doing this you need to log in again your account on Spotify. And guys after doing all the methods your problem will be fixed, and guys you will be able to forward any songs on your Spotify app. So guys if still not working your that forward button, then guys you need to click on general again, and guys you need to scroll it down, click on VPN and device management. And guys if you have connected any VPN with your phone, then guys you need to disconnect that VPN, and guys after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.